Want to change the background image on your iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your wallpaper on iPhone. Now let's get started. To change your iPhone wallpaper, open your settings. Scroll down and select Wallpaper. To edit your current wallpaper, tap Customize on either your lock screen or home screen. To add a new wallpaper pair, tap Add New Wallpaper. There are many different options to choose from for your wallpaper. At the top, you can choose from your photos, people in your camera roll, shuffle your photos, or live photos. You can also create a custom wallpaper using emojis or a color, or have one generate based on astronomy or weather at your current location. If you scroll down, you'll find featured wallpaper styles, suggested photos to use, photo shuffle samples, weather and astronomy, kaleidoscope, emojis, the Unity and Pride wallpaper collections, and more. Tap a wallpaper you'd like to use to see how it looks and get other options to further customize it. Once you've chosen a wallpaper, you can swipe sideways to see different style options. You can also customize each of the widgets and display areas on your lock screen. Tap the date at the top to pick from widget options that fit that area. Tap the time to customize the font, thickness, and color of the time display. Tap the widget area below the time to add any custom widgets you'd like. These include weather and calendar updates and any widgets available from apps you have installed. When choosing a widget, you can pick which size you want to add. At the bottom, you can remove the default flashlight and camera shortcuts and replace them with other tools or app shortcuts depending on what you'd like to have available quickly from your lock screen. For example, maybe you'd rather have the Shazam tool to recognize music playing around you, or the option to switch between light and dark mode on your device. Choose whichever tools will be the most handy for you. When you're finished, tap Add to move on to editing your home screen wallpaper. If you want your home screen wallpaper to perfectly match your lock screen, tap Set as Wallpaper Pair. If you'd like to have your home screen wallpaper be different, tap Customize Home Screen. Here you can choose a custom colored background, a gradient, or use a photo from your camera roll. When you're happy with how your home screen wallpaper looks, tap Done to save. Then tap Set as Current to switch to your newly designed wallpaper pair. If you've designed multiple different wallpaper pairs, you can swipe between them on the Wallpaper Settings page to view all the ones you've created. You can go back and customize these whenever you like, or tap Set as Current to switch to a different wallpaper pair. That's all it takes to change your wallpaper on iPhone. If you'd like to delete one of your wallpaper designs, check out this tutorial to learn how to remove them. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.